Okay guys, this is a 2013 Ford F-150 Platinum Edition. It's got the 3.5 twin turbo EcoBoost motor. This is a rebuilt title. It has some water damage. Gone through and replaced everything that we can see that needs to be fixed. Touched every button. It's passed 150 point inspection. Now all ready to go. I don't notice any paint work on it. So it's got the rear step back here, spray and bed liner. Good tires. It's got power running boards. Rear heated seats. Sunroof. It's got the Sony Sound System. It's got the keyless entry there. Let me start it up here for you. So almost 95,000 miles on it. So this does have the heated and air conditioned seats. Backup camera. This does have the locking differential FX4 package, 4-wheel drive, sync. And a sunroof. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.